So Hapsys is a company with two guys. They're building a haptic suit. So it's basically you take your rumble pack on your controller and it's applied to your chest. Right now they're going to be demoing today is the front portion of the vest. So it's about 24 motors on the front. He's got a really cool algorithm that allows you to well, actually today, so what we're demoing is a portion of it. So it's showing that when you fire your gun, you can feel the feedback in your chest and it kind of pulses down. If you stomp, it's going to come off your chest. When you get hit, you're going to feel on the front. When the back's done, there's another 24 motors. So if you get hit on the back, you're going to feel where you got hit on the back. And the special thing that we don't have demoing today is the capability for motion touch. So say like we had a sword game in VR and I come and I hit you across the chest, you're going to be able to feel that hit vibrating all the way down in the intensity that I hit you with. So we don't have that yet, but today's kind of like the preliminary start of showing this tech off in our game.
What goes into the haptic vest?
So right now we have the one panel version that we're demonstrating right now. It's 24 motors. And what's special about what we can do is that through the use of a tactile illusion that I've created an algorithm for, we can put very precise points of pressure, and then we can do movement of those points of pressure. And so it gives a lot of flexibility to what you can do and stimulus that you couldn't do before. Also, we have full control through my SDK. We have full control over every individual motor for all developers. So like Andrew custom made, utilizing the intensity of the motor, custom made stimulus, haptic stimulus that he felt was appropriate for his game that we're demoing here today. Just talking to one of my professors and talked about illusions, and I said, oh, there's not just visual illusions, there's auditory illusions, tactile illusions. And so he wanted me to look more into these tactile illusions. So I did that, read into the literature, and then seeing that, like, why isn't anybody doing this? Everything was one-dimensional. And I'm all like, it should be able to do things two-dimensionally in here. And so I came up with the idea of tackling this one tactile illusion and into 2 dimensions, so that anywhere between these 4 motors, you can put a point of pressure anywhere in between and you can move it around. So it gives you really a lot of precision and as well as dynamic feeling. Working on that, and this is our prototype that we're up to now, and it's been doing really well. We've started getting a lot of traction. We've gone down to Toronto to the Creative Destruction Lab, and they've loved it there. And
I imagine
everything's going really well.
All right. Am I big enough to try that thing, or is that thing big enough to even so I can feel like the impression?